Hello everyone, let's do some catching up with ColourPop. ColourPop is one brand which keeps launching every second week, and sometimes it gets a little overwhelming because I do end up seeing like 2 launches in a week, 3 launches in a week. Not everything is made for us and not everything we are supposed to be buying. To reduce the confusion and make it life easy and prepare you for upcoming sales and what you should be exactly eyeing from ColourPop, I'm making this video where I'm going to be showing you some products which I do feel must try, must buy if you want to include some products by ColourPop. So without having too much, let's get started. Now I could have started this video with some base product, face products and then eye products, but I thought let's just reverse it a bit and show you some interesting eyeshadow palettes. Now ColourPop is one brand where I've tried like most number of eyeshadow palettes and it's never ending. I keep buying, I keep adding more shades to my collection, and for one basic reason that the quality is up notch. So whenever I'm buying a palette, I'm really not worried about the quality. I know the shades are going to perform. Yes, some odd shades may not show up on our Indian skin. That is where you have to be very cautious before picking up a palette. So I thought these 5 to 6 palettes, maybe those palettes wherein you can put in your money, you can try this. You will save up a lot in upcoming sales. The sale discount goes up to 35% as well as in the year once or twice they give an offer buy one get one. So from now till next year March, you will get some stunning sales. So keep an eye on your products on your wish list. So whenever you feel this is a steal deal, grab yours. First up, I have a palette which I would have never recommended you, but then I feel in a discount this could be a steal deal. Is the 5 pan eyeshadow palettes by ColourPop. Now this is their initial launch palette. When they launched the 5 palettes, ये उसमें से है, but later they added more 5 pan eyeshadow palettes. I personally want to get 2, so I will definitely get it in the sale. Now why am I telling you to grab these? Because these are very simple, easy to use, and the new ones, they have removed pressed glitters from most of the eyeshadow palettes. So technically you end up getting 3 mattes and 2 shimmers, or 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. And it is definitely a steal deal in a discount because you end up getting these palettes for $4 or $5. They are priced at $10. So yes, you will end up saving here. The quality is same as the quality is in the normal other palettes, the 9 pan and the 12 pan. And you get some shades to try. If you are under a budget and you cannot spend 1,000 rupees at one go, then why not just get this bite-sized palette and be happy and enjoy the shadows. So yes, I will definitely be grabbing like 2 to 3 more. Maybe 1 or 2 for the giveaway and 1 or 2 for myself, because these are very easy, travel friendly, you can see the shadows, and very compact and easy to use and easy to understand. After the 5 pan eyeshadow palettes, ColourPop did happen to launch the 4 pans as well, and then some more 5 pan and 6 pan eyeshadow palettes which I did not grab, just because I already have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I am buying only certain eyeshadow palettes. So you have to keep your head very clear what exactly you want, because brands keep launching, you cannot be buying everything. Talking about another one is a 9 pan eyeshadow palettes. Now I personally have a lot of monochromatic palettes by ColourPop and I've already talked about them in very different videos of mine. So do check out my last ColourPop video which I did on best and worst of ColourPop, which I did this year only. Do check out that video so that you have more ideas and more options, as well as I have mentioned about the products which are worst and you should not be eyeing them. So do check out that video. Talking about this one, this is like one of those palettes which you should buy. Like this is a palette which will work absolutely wonderful on Indian skin, and specifically I would say medium to deep to tan. All of these shades are going to show up on your skin. On me, this palette works as more of a smoky palette, but on a deeper or a tan skin, it will work as more of a warm nude palette. So you can get a lot out of this and you get some stunning shades. I must tell you, I have used this palette a lot. Again, there is another palette which you can see if it is available. It's the brown sugar palette. I'm not showing you that palette because it was like a long time back while I launched, and ColourPop has a habit of discontinuing palette. So this is still available. So if you want a good warm warm come nude palette, then this is one of the best options. Another interesting palette by Colourpop, and this was their last holiday collection palette, is Whatever Colourpop palette. Now this is one of another stunning palette. I still see it on Colourpop website, and yes, I have picked out palettes which are available on Colourpop, and there is a chance you can get it. You can still get them. You see the shades, oh my god, they're not exactly very deep berries and reds. They are like a nice mid-tone range warmer palette. Now when you see this palette, you see, oh my god, when I'm going to apply it, it's going to look very deep. But no, leaving this shadow, all the other shadows can be worn even in daytime. This is a perfect festive palette, and this is even your day palette because they have added some nice mattes here and some amazing shimmer. This though has a pressed glitter, which I have worn the most, I would say, out of all of my Colourpop palettes, because this shade just complements my whole eye. So yes, another stunning palette. The only drawback to this palette is they have added one Super Shock shadow, which I do not like it in an open palette because Super Shock shadows are supposed to be in a closed pan. So yes, but now they have stopped doing this. So yes, if you happen to see this palette and if you want to grab it, get it. Though Colourpop recently launched another holiday palette, I will put the picture here. Get this one if you don't get this one, because this one also looks good. I did not get this one because I already have this one, and I really don't want to have like similar palettes. I guess I've already shown you a lot of warm nudes, nude and warm palettes. Let's move on to some colors. Now picking up a colorful palette is a tricky part because not everyone enjoys all brights, but they want to have like few brights and some warm nudes, some cool tone shades. I think this palette fits in well, and this is one of their newest launches as well. This is the Lush Life palette. This is one of my recent purchases I did. Oh my god, when I saw this palette, I missed the launch because there was no discount, and then later there was a discount, so I could save 25% on this purchase. So be wise, there's no hurry, you can buy them slowly. So when you open this palette, you get these stunning shadows right in here. Now as I was talking, if you're a person who wants a little color but very like basic, or colors which you tend to wear like blues and greens, because I feel if anybody has to wear a colored eyeshadow, mostly people drive towards blues and greens only because they look good. So yes, you have your blue, teal, greens, and then you have this nice yellow green. Oh my god, this is such a popping green. You're just gonna love your eyes. And then you have nice cool tone, warm tone mattes. Then you have amazing mattes to complement your shimmers, and then you have this wholesome palette. So if you want a colorful palette but not too out there, this is one of the best options you can go for. The performance on all of these palettes are well done. They work same, so there is no quality difference on any of the Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. It just be a little different formula, like a pressed glitter, a shimmer, or a matte, or a Super Shock. These are the different formulas they have, but all across the eyeshadow palettes, if they have added a matte in 5 different palettes, all the mattes are going to perform the same way. Though I feel as in when I am adding more palettes by Colourpop, the performance has gone really high. So now they are more better, like more better. Talking about another one, again a latest edition but not too latest. ये palette मैं कभी नहीं लेने वाली थी, but I just got it because I felt so relatable with this palette. This is the Off Melrose palette by Colourpop. This is a palette which everybody is going to love it. The camera is not doing justice to this palette. Oh my god, you get such stunning shimmers and stunning mattes, and these are the shadows which every woman or a girl wants to wear it. These are your staple shadows, shimmers and matte. This is another wonderful option. If you still get this palette, grab it because they keep restocking it and then it gets out of stock. It is one of the hot selling palettes as well. It looks very off. It was firstly launched on Ulta and then they got it back to Colourpop. This is definitely one of those palettes which you should not be missing, which I did earlier. but I'm so happy getting this one because this is your everyday palette to your festive look palette, and you can create so much with this one. Now we are down to the last eyeshadow palette, and something really out of the box, and I feel this is one of the best palette by Colourpop into bright category, because they got almost every shade together in one palette in a very good pricing, is the Fade into Hue palette. If you still get it because still available, and you get it on a good discount because मैंने एक और discount पे लिया है. So this is the palette Fade into Hue, and you see how wonderfully the shadows are laid. You get almost every bright you want, the brights which everyone likes to wear it. You can create so many different looks with it, but this is a proper brights palette, so you have to pick up another palette to work with this palette, I feel, because you cannot just work with this palette by itself. So sometimes for a nice brown and all, I have to go in other palettes, but if you just want to have that one bright palette which has colors and some pressed glitters and nice shimmers, then this is the one to go for by Colourpop. Quality is up notch, high quality, good packaging and good pricing. So yes, this is another wonderful palette by Colourpop, and you should be eyeing this one if you're a person who likes to play with colors. After knowing about some stunning eyeshadow palettes, let's move on to some face and base makeup. Now I do have almost everything from Colourpop into base category, and I've already talked about them in past videos of mine, so that is why I'm telling you to check out my other Colourpop videos just to know a little more better. I have done dedicated reviews also on a lot of these products already on my channel, so check out those videos if you want to be like doubly sure should you be getting this one for yourself or not, because sometimes something which is extraordinarily well done for me, or I do feel it is like the perfect product, may not be the perfect one for you. See, we have to be very open-minded here. We cannot be like just, you know, going by the word of mouth, since I am a content creator and a word of mouth does play a very important role here, but I will be very realistic also. Like, why do I do these reviews? Just for your knowledge to understand the product more better. So as I said, do check out some reviews as well. Now let's get into some base and face products. So first up, I'm going to suggest you a base product which is like one of my holy grail products. Even I am going to repurchase it soon because I think मेरा खत्म होने वाला है. And I've talked about this product a lot of times already. Is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer, and the best part, they have a smaller size as well. So अगर आप बड़ा size नहीं लेना चाहते हो तो आप छोटा भी ले सकते हो, and that after discounts costs you around $4 or $3. So बच गए ना पैसे. But I would highly recommend you to buy a big size because you're gonna love this product. So it's a tinted moisturizer. I'm in the shade medium dark 15W. It's a perfect match for me. It is a moisturizer which has a lot of tint going on. But if you're a person who likes no makeup looks, this is the product to go for. This is like a perfect no makeup tinted moisturizer cum foundation for yourself. It's super light, it sits perfectly well onto the skin, and I like the texture of this product because it sits well into winters, summers and monsoons. And I just love how it just makes my face looks my face, like it's not like all made up all the time. So yes, a product which you should not be missing, a product wherein you should be investing your money. It's more of an investment, I'm telling you. You're gonna love it. Talking about another interesting product which have become my favorite recently because I have been using this product from the time I've got it, is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Illuminator. Frankly speaking, when I was checking Colourpop website few days back, I was not seeing this product. I don't know if they have discontinued or not, but if you happen to see this product, get it. It is like a perfect illuminator, I feel. अभी तक मैंने जितने illuminators use किए हैं, I do feel this is one of the most comfortable ones I've used. It is just like your moisturizer, which has a nice illumination going on. You can use it all over your face. You can use it only on your high points of your face. And the best part is that it helps the product to blend easily. It doesn't dry down to like a complete matte formula onto your skin, and then later it looks streaky. But I would highly recommend you to use this product underneath your foundation, as well as you can mix it with your body lotions and use it. So it's a very nicely done product. I really like the formula on this one. It is better than the Max Road Cream. Did I just say that? Yeah, I just said that. So yes, you will love this product more than your MAC Strobe, because I do feel sometimes when I use this, I feel MAC ne kiya matlab, where is the glow? But this one is definitely the right glow. Talking about another product, again, this is a killer. This is a product which I feel is very much underrated in Colourpop. जब तक इसकी जानकारी आपको नहीं होगी, आप नहीं समझोगे कि कैसा है. As in, it's like it is existing but nobody pays attention. So it's the Soul Body Bronzing Balm. Today also I'm wearing it. I'm obsessed with this product. So ये कुछ इस तरीके से आता है bronzing balm, and it has a lid also. So you should keep it tight lid, because it's a nice moussey buttery product but not overly buttery. It has a nice blending capacity. You can use it as your normal bronzer, but I like to wear it more as of my contour cum bronzer underneath my foundation, just to give a nice inner warmth. And yes, I just love it. I like wearing this product even on top of my foundation, because it doesn't make my foundation move or give me that streaky bronzing. So if you are introducing cream products, you know what to get for yourself. You don't have to really struggle with this product. I'm telling you, आपको 50 नहीं चाहिए. You just need one. And I think this is the one. And this is a nice shade which can be used as a contour as well as bronzing. You can do a lot with this. And I'm in the shade medium dark. Moving on in this video and making it more interesting, let's move on to some Super Shock formulas. Now I've already spoken about Super Shock highlighters and eyeshadow. I'm still going to talk about them today. But there is another product which I happen to use into Super Shock family, is the blush. Because blush was something which I never intended to buy, and frankly speaking was scared. I was like, will it even perform? But after watching my last Colourpop Western Verse, a lot of you suggested me, why haven't you tried one? Till the time you don't try, how will you know? So I was like, okay, let me just get it. And it's one of my favorites now, and I'm already at a position where I'm going to hit pan on this. Is the Colourpop Cruel Intention Super Shock Cheek. It's a blush. Quickly, I'm going to show you the halat of it. It's really bad. So this is the Super Shock Cheek. You can see, like, it's like all over the place. And whenever you're opening your Super Shock products, close it immediately, or else you're going to change the formula of the product. Now, if you are into cream products, but you're not exactly into too creamy products because you're scared to put it on your skin because your combination too oily, you have a humid skin which grabs a lot of humidity, just like mine, and sweat, this is the right amount of your cheek tint in a more of a creamy cum powdery format. So it is a matte blush, but it is moussey, it is creamy. You can just pick up with your finger and do it, and you are done. You can layer this product on top of your foundation. So with cheek tints, like the lip and cheek tints, you cannot layer it on top of your powder products. This one, you can just take your brush, easily do your normal blush as you do it on normal days with your powder products. So yes, this is one of those products which you should definitely try if you are a blush person. Next up, we have a Super Shock eyeshadow. Now I have only 2 shades as of now, because I had like 3 to 4. I have finished all and I have thrown them because the formula changed. After using like 100 times, the formula changes. So I am eyeing 2 to 3 more shades in Super Shock shadows, because they're really good. They're like one and go eyeshadows. So ये है एक shade जो मैं बहुत use करती हूँ for my night looks. So this is in the shade Free Rain. It's a super dark shadow, super dark. Like, let me just quickly close the lid of it, and you see, this is how it is. So it's a very dark smoky shimmer, but it's not like too loud of a shimmer. It's like your matte cum shimmer shadow. So you can just pick it up with your finger, place it on your eyes, and take a brush and just quickly blend the edges, and you are done. You can use this shadow as more of your eyeliner, just smoking out your eyeliners and giving a little smoky touch to your no makeup look. So this shadow comes pretty handy to me, and sometimes अगर मैं बहुत जल्दबाजी में रहती हूँ तो मैं बहुत कभी-कभी अपने eyebrows भी इसी से fill in कर लेती हूँ, because the shadow is like that. Nobody would come to know that you applied a shadow like this on your brows. They will just sink in. So yes, it's a very stable product, but a good formula. Not everyone likes Super Shock formulas, but if you have already used it and you are eyeing something, then do check it out in a good sale, because they end up costing you $2 or $3. And last but not the least, in Super Shock family, we have highlighters. Who can miss Super Shock highlighters? So if you haven't tried Super Shock highlighters, which world are you living in? And I've talked about them so many times already. I did mention about them in my supple highlighters as well, wherein you can use this highlighter as more of a supple eye. Today also I'm wearing on my skin the Super Shock highlighter, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But this is one of my favorite shades to wear, Wisp. So this is still available. If you get it, grab it without any second thoughts. So this is your creamy, not so creamy but not so powdery, not your pressed powder highlighter. It is a perfect skin finish highlighter which can be used as a skin finish as well as a more of a blinding over the top highlighter. So yes, if you haven't tried ColourPop Super Shock highlighters, then these are definitely must-haves, must go for, and in sale you end up getting these for $7. So yes, ले लो, एक shade तो पक्का ले लो, and the shade which I highly recommend is the shade Wisp. I really like ColourPop face products into press format also, like the pressed powder blush, bronzer, highlighter. I like all of these formulas. But bronzer is something which is like my staple product. I need to have a good bronzer, and ColourPop has amazing ones, but the only problem with ColourPop is now that they keep discontinuing a lot of the shades. So there was this shade which I was using, Rodeo Drive, which is almost at a verge of finishing, and I'm using that bronzer past 1.5 years, and that is my staple bronzer. So I happened to get a new one which I feel is a perfect bronzer, but they marketed this product as more of a blush. So if you happen to see this shade, get it for yourself. It's the Fashion District Pressed Powder Blush. This is the ColourPop Melrose collection, we say, and this is how the blush is. Now this is a blush which a lighter skin can actually use it as a blush also if you are into muted blushes, or I would say not muted, I would say more of your peachy, mauvey, brown tone blushes. That's a mix of a lot of things, but that's how I feel about this. But this product can actually work as a good bronzer on my skin. So I can actually dual it. I can use it even as a blush or a bronzer. So if you are on a hunt of a good bronzer, a nice one, a subtle one, but not too out there, then this is the one to go for. I really like this shade. Oh my god, I'm just loving all of the ColourPop products I showed you today. So yes, this is another thing which you can eye. They have 2 shades. This is the one you should get it. Now another thing which I will quickly mention, do not buy the blushes which have shimmer into it, because they have a lot of kickback. You don't see the pigment on your cheeks. So avoid those shimmery ones. I've already talked about them in other videos of mine. Do not get those. Talking about another face product, and the last face product is this ColourPop Cheek Palette. These are one of the new launches, but now they're no more new because they have added more shades to it. Now I have in the shade Cookie Cluster. I'm wearing the blush on my cheeks. Yes, and I did apply the same highlighter on my high points. Again, a stunning palette, good 3 blushes you get, and a good Super Shock highlighter. What you can do, basically mix all 3 blushes. You can use it singly. Not everyone likes proper matte blushes, but for my skin type, I like matte blushes because I have enough oils to show them more of a sheen blushes. You can see they don't look super drying on my skin. So yes, if you are on a hunt of a good face palette which is like in a good budget, then this is the one, because you have more options to choose. Like you have like 10 to 12 options to choose. I picked up this one because I was looking for good blushes and a highlighter, and you get a Super Shock highlighter here, which apparently broke when I received it, so I had to fix it back, but I'm still using it and it works good. So yes, another wonderful launch by ColourPop, and you should definitely get one face palette for yours. Now we are down to the last segment, lip. Yes, ColourPop has a lot of lip products, but of lately I've realized they have been adding a lot of different formulas, but there are some pre-existing old formulas as well. I'm definitely missing the ColourPop Ultra Satin and Ultra Matte. Ultra Matte, they still have it, but I'm definitely missing that Ultra Satin. I don't know why they discontinued the complete whole range, if they could get it back. But in the recent past, ColourPop has been launching a lot of lipstick formulas, and frankly speaking, I'm not enjoying them because I just don't like the formula on my lips. Everyone has a preference, but I do feel these are the 4 lip formulas you're gonna love. First up, we have a lip oil by Colourpop. Is the Colourpop Luxe Lip Oil. This I got it in a set. Now frankly speaking guys, if you have dry lips, if you have lips which wear a lot of lipstick and you feel little drying on the lips and you want to keep them nourished and you just want to have that nice lip oil, easy to use, easy to carry, get this. It's very easy to use. You can even use this as a lip gloss, but the shine is not there. It is just like a nice sheen going on to the lipstick. But if you really want to prep your lip before a matte lipstick, then you can use this lip oil. It's very good. I have been using it. I really like it. You just need one. Please get only one. Don't get like multiple shades in it. I really don't know if they have shades in it, but you just need one lip oil. I had to take a break in between because there was a doorbell. So I had to go and collect the courier, and now we are here back to our lip product. So next up I have a lip gloss. Now lip gloss I've already mentioned like a million times, but just because I was making this video and there are too many lip products happening, I thought why not quickly talk about a gloss as well. So if you haven't tried a lip gloss by Colourpop, then you must, because lip gloss is something which comes very handy. You can use it without a lipstick, you can use it on top of your lipstick, and it is very much of a hydrating lip product. If you have super dry lips and if you are wearing a super dry lipstick, if you just layer it up with a good gloss, it adds up, and a Colourpop lip gloss would do that for you. I am holding the shade Fantasiza, and this is how it looks. From far I'm showing you. See how shiny and glossier it is, and I just love how it sits onto my lips. So if you are eyeing a gloss, get it from Colourpop. You will not regret it. And now we are down to the last two lipsticks, and these are बहुत पुरानी lipsticks हैं ये, and I'm wearing two of the shades on my lips as of now. I do wear them a lot off camera. Now Colourpop has a lot of lipsticks as I said, but I do feel over the years they've added too many. But not every lipstick works good, and they do not sustain in a weather like India, extremely hot summer weather. So yes, they are making lipstick as per their country and liking, but I don't think they support our weather, because I have 2 to 3 different formulas and they don't work on my lips. They just don't stay in this weather. But these two formulas will definitely stay, and they are really good. So definitely try your hands on the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks, the bullet ones. They have 3 formulas here: matte, creme and blur. Now blur one is also nice. If you're a person who likes tinted lipsticks, then you can go for the blur one, because I do feel the pigmentation on the blur ones a little lesser compared to these ones. So as I said, if you're a tinted lipstick person, then try the blur ones also. They are also nice, but I like my creamies and mattes. So today I'm wearing the shade called Brick on my lips, और उसके पहले उससे पहले I wore 27. So 27 is another favorite shade of mine, and that is my second bullet I was telling you. And again, it is very close to a more of a brown shade, more of a cool tone brown, but it has a lot of warmth going on. So yes, another 2 lovely formulas. The matte lipstick is not extremely drying, it is still nice on the lips, and the creamy, you can see how juicy it looks. You really don't need a gloss. So they are super rich, highly pigmented, and they definitely fits the name Luxe. So they will definitely make you feel as if you're wearing a super expensive lipstick. So yes, if you want to try some stunning formula, good lipstick, good looking lipstick, then Colourpop Luxe lipstick you should try. Out of so many launches Colourpop keeps doing the whole year, now you have more of a consolidated list of products where you should be putting your money, wherein you can give a thought, okay, I can try this product, this is the product made for me. Do add up these products to your wish list and be ready for the upcoming sales, because you really don't want to miss out on these interesting products. Though I would still say not every product is made for everyone, I'd say, because I do feel everyone has a preference and a liking how they like doing their makeup. So I think in this basket of Colourpop products I happen to show you today, something is made for you. So yes, these products work 100 on 100. They are perfectly well done on quality, pigmentation, staying, as well as the way you feel it on your skin. I absolutely love all of these products by Colourpop, though I have my own wish list going on, so I will also save some money and grab few more. I will be listing down everything in my description, the name of the products, and I end up buying my Colourpop products from two Instagram pages, the Beauty Lounge India and the Crimson Luxe, because I do feel their pricing is much better compared to many other pages. I will be here soon with some more interesting videos. If you have anything in your head, do leave it down through your comments. We'll try to be back on that, maybe start working on it and get you some more interesting videos. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.